Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. My name is Roosevelt, and I figure I should probably introduce myself, right? I've never done that. I don't think I ever said my name, but I'm Roosevelt, and welcome to the Crown Lounge. If it's your first time here, welcome. If you came back, welcome also. But anyway, what we're going to do today is an eggnog martini, right? It's the holidays, so we drink eggnog during this time. No other time in the year, but this time is when you drink eggnog, right? And I think I'm the only one in my family that likes eggnog. So let's get started. To make this eggnog martini, you need eggnog, right? I just got some Southern Comfort eggnog. I don't know if it's got, oh, it's non-alcoholic, so there's no alcohol in it. But anyway, I'm going to start off with this, right? We're going to do it in a shaker because we kind of want it to get foamy, I guess, and mix real well. So we're going to start off with 3 ounces of eggnog of your choosing. And you can probably get the non-dairy kind. Even though I'm lactose, I'm going to risk it for you guys because this tastes better. So 3 ounces of eggnog. Next, we're going to go an ounce and a half of vodka. Last, we're going to do just a ½ ounce of an Amaretto. Just ½ ounce. Gonna add some ice. Give this a good shake. Grab a martini glass. Stick. Maybe they come out by next Christmas time. Who knows? I mean, it looks how I want it to look. Well, that might be all of it. Oh yeah, that's all of it. We're going to just add a little bit of cinnamon on top. There you have it. An eggnog martini. Cheers. That is an adult eggnog. The little hint of the Amaretto in the background actually makes it, I think. It's not strong alcohol-wise. I mean, it's an ounce and a half of vodka. So you probably go a little stronger if you want to go a little stronger. But this is a well-balanced cocktail that I really do like because I like eggnog, and bam, this is an eggnog martini. But anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time.